Everyone thinks the best-selling action camera is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, GoPro Hero 12 Black. The GoPro Hero 12 Black caught my eye right away with its sleek design and impressive specs, priced at $369. You know, if you want top-notch video quality that can withstand any adventure, this is worth a serious look. The Hero 12 shoots 5.3K video at 60 frames per second, which means you get ultra-smooth footage, perfect for fast-paced activities like biking or surfing. Plus, it comes with advanced stabilization, so your shots won't be shaky even if you're in the middle of a rough ride. And let's not forget the 27-megapixel photos. You can capture stunning stills too. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Whether you're capturing family vacations or extreme sports, you want those memories to look as good as they possibly can. Now, some people complained about the battery life, saying it could be a bit short during extended use. Here's the thing though, unless you're filming non-stop for hours, it shouldn't be a deal breaker. Plus, you can easily swap out batteries if you're going on a long adventure. This is perfect for you if you're a serious adventurer looking to capture every moment in stunning detail. Skip this one if you're just looking for something to casually film everyday events. For the quality you're getting, the price feels justified. Now, if the Hero 12's price tag is making you hesitate, the next one on this list might be a more budget-friendly option without sacrificing too much quality. Product number 2, Insta360 X5. We have the Insta360 X5, which stands at $464.99. What really grabbed my attention was its ability to shoot 8K 360-degree video. If you want to capture experiences from every angle, this is worth a serious look. The dual 1.28-inch sensors create breathtaking 360-degree footage, meaning you can relive your adventures in a way that traditional cameras just can't offer. Plus, it has flow state stabilization, so you're guaranteed smooth shots even in the most chaotic settings. The invisible selfie stick feature is another highlight. You can shoot without seeing the stick in the frame, which opens up a world of creative possibilities. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're into vlogging or creating immersive content, this camera can turn your ordinary shots into something extraordinary. That said, some users found the setup a bit complicated. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, the creative freedom you gain is totally worth the initial learning curve. This is perfect for you if you love to share your adventures with a unique twist, especially if you're into vlogging or social media. Skip this one if you prefer straightforward shooting without any bells and whistles. For the advanced features, I think it's a fair price. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for a reliable all-rounder. Product number 3, DJI Osmo Action 6. Let's talk about the DJI Osmo Action 6, priced at $426. Right off the bat, I was impressed by its 8K video capability and variable aperture. If you want a camera that performs well in various lighting conditions, this is worth a serious look. The variable aperture allows you to adjust settings from f2.0 to f4.0, which means you can capture great low-light shots without losing quality. With the new Rocksteady 3.0 stabilization, you can say goodbye to shaky videos, and the 360-degree horizon steady keeps your horizon level no matter how much you're moving. Plus, this camera is built for extreme environments. It's cold resistant, so it won't quit on you during chilly shoots. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Whether you're vlogging your travel adventures or filming sports, you want a camera that adapts to various conditions without missing a beat. But some users mentioned that it can take a bit to learn all its features. Here's the thing though, it's packed with functionality, so a little patience pays off. This is perfect for you if you're serious about content creation and want something that performs in various lighting and conditions. Skip this if you're looking for something super simple and easy. Given its features, it's well worth the investment. Now, if you're looking for something with even more accessories for creative shooting, the next option might catch your eye. Product number 4, i3 4K Thumb Action Camera. And at just $73.99, this tiny camera really surprised me with its capabilities. If you're after something ultra-portable that won't break the bank, this is worth a serious look. Weighing in at just 1.25 ounces, you can literally mount this camera anywhere without feeling weighed down. It's got a magnetic design so you can attach it to various surfaces effortlessly. Plus, it's waterproof up to 131 feet with the included case, making it great for water sports and underwater adventures. The 150 minutes of battery life is decent for such a small device, and it even supports recording while charging. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you want to capture spontaneous moments without lugging around bulky gear, this compact camera is a solid choice. Now, some users mentioned that the video quality isn't as high as pricier options. Here's the thing though, if you're not a professional and just want something fun for casual footage, it does the job well without emptying your wallet. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a lightweight and fun camera for casual outings. Skip this if you need high-end video quality for professional work. For its price, it offers great value for casual users. Now, if you're looking for something that offers advanced features and is still portable, check out the last product on my list. Product number 5, DJI Osmo Action 6 Enhanced Combo, coming in at $496. What really stands out here is the added accessories, like 2 batteries and an extension rod. If you want more flexibility in your shooting experience, this is worth a serious look. This combo includes all the powerful features of the standard Osmo Action 6, like the 8K recording and variable aperture, plus the extended battery life ensures you won't run out of juice during crucial moments. The extension rod is great for capturing unique angles that you wouldn't normally get. You also get built-in storage for 50 gigabytes, which is a nice bonus for longer shoots. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're serious about your content and want the best tools at your disposal, this package has you covered. However, some users mentioned it's a bit pricey compared to other options. Here's the thing though, the value of having multiple batteries and additional features can justify the price for many serious creators. This is perfect for you if you want a complete package for high-quality recording and creative shooting. Skip this if you're on a tight budget and just need something basic. For the features and accessories, it's a strong investment for enthusiasts. So there you have it, 5 amazing action cameras, each with its own strengths. The GoPro Hero 12 excels in video quality. The Insta360 X5 offers immersive 360-degree experiences. The DJI Osmo Action 6 is versatile for various conditions. The i3 is ultra-portable and budget-friendly. And the DJI Osmo Action 6 Enhanced Combo gives you a complete package. Choose the one that fits your needs best, and you'll be ready to capture every adventure.